Is it permissible to record videos? That is another mas'ala that the scholars differ over. That differing of opinion, due to evidences from both sides of Ahlul Sunnah, there are those that say it is permissible and it is not, that the tasweer that is haram. Then there are those that say it is haram, the asl, like due to a need and a necessity, it becomes permissible. And then there are those that say it is not permissible in totality. That khilaf, is it not khilaf between Ahlul Sunnah? Is it not khilaf that is ijtihadi, that can accept legal reasoning? Sahih it is. Therefore the person should follow the daleel, like the daleel that he finds to be the stronger opinion. If his brother accepts another opinion, he cannot say you're mubtadi' or you've fallen into evil. Like Shaykh al-Islam actually mentions in this risale of Raf' al-Malam, lifting the blame from the imams, the scholars, he says that if a alim makes a mistake or he gives a fatwa and he contradicts a hadith, the warning that is mentioned in that hadith, he will not be punished for it, or the punishment mentioned in the hadith, it is not as if he has contradicted it intentionally. So that is a khilaf that is acceptable. Lakin when people are not taught that, and it's my way or the highway, that is what causes communities to break up, brotherhoods to break up, and da'was to break up. And the only way that a person can overcome that is actually by going back to the books of Ahlul Ilm, by studying under scholars.